12240 Oslo. Nice little side bullnose there for parking. House next door looks nice. Couple doors from the end. Good little quiet spot. Nice big deck. All right, Janine and Nate, let's roll inside. I'm gonna keep this up. I'm gonna keep it at that, whatever you call that on the exposure, or lights. All right, so mudroom, not bad. Split entry. Nice wood ceiling. Wood fireplace. Yeah. The barbecue deck is out front. It's good size. I think we're listed at 1199, aren't we? Yeah, 1199. No idea who Jonathan Payne is. We got some white appliances. Easy change there. Cabinets seem all right. Maybe change out the countertops, but they're clean. Nice open space here. Guessing this is the master. Little deck off the back. Those are houses. Yeah, those are houses. That one on the, actually that's a townhome on the left, but maybe that one is straight ahead too, but still there's a good amount of space in between. Bathroom. Alrighty, there's Nate's bathtub. Shower. Gold trim, easily changed someday, but it's clean. Okay, guessing we got a powder here. Yeah, utility closet. Nice linen space. I guess that's extra use of the space. Could be a little pantry where that's probably what they used it for. Right next to the kitchen. Let's go down. Get some lights here. I'm sure this is a coat closet. Yes. Downstairs. Little entry bench right there. Change of ski boots, a little extra storage. Looks like a lot of storage and closet space here. Garage. Workbench. Kind of smaller, but it's a tight 2-car garage. What does this go? This must go outside. Oh, okay. All right. Storage, extra room. Kids get in trouble. They have to stay in here maybe. Could be, I don't know, some utility storage there. Okay, you come in from the garage. This must be, oh, all right, bathroom downstairs. Bathrooms could use a little updating. Okay. Laundry. More linen. There's really no, unless you count that garage space, no second living space. More of a feel for the back. This was the second bedroom. The obligatory Tahoe picture. Of course, I've got one in my house. I do like it. Third bedroom. So there's 2 bedrooms downstairs, and then there's the bathroom downstairs. Okay. I think this was 12240. So 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The rest of these lights. Nice light upstairs. That's facing north that way. Go back out front. On the way out through the mudroom. Hit that light. All right, that's 12240 Oslo. It's a great location.